Meaning of glow.
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 Glow. Glow can refer to both a physical and metaphorical phenomenon. Physically, it describes a soft, warm light emitted by an object. This can be natural, such as the sun or fire, or artificial, like a lamp or neon sign. Metaphorically, glow can describe a feeling of happiness or contentment that emanates from within us. It can also be used to describe an intense feeling of admiration or excitement towards a person, object, or idea. In either case, glow suggests a sense of radiance and positive energy.